Planning a move from Alaska to New Mexico? Whether you're seeking warmer weather, a lower cost of living, or a change of scenery, this video will guide you through 5 essential tips to ensure a smooth and successful relocation. Moving from Alaska to New Mexico is a significant journey, with distances ranging from 1,600 to over 2,600 miles. Depending on your starting point and the size of your home, moving costs can range from $4,000 to $7,000. It's crucial to obtain multiple quotes from reputable moving companies to find the best deal. Alaska's cold, snowy environment contrasts sharply with New Mexico's hot, dry climate. Prepare for hot summers and mild winters. If you're moving to higher elevations, like Santa Fe, be ready for cooler temperatures and thinner air. Staying hydrated and protecting yourself from the sun is essential. New Mexico offers a more affordable cost of living compared to Alaska. Housing costs are generally lower, with average one-bedroom rentals ranging from $900 to $1,300 in major cities. Groceries and utilities are also more budget-friendly, allowing for a more comfortable lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the Land of Enchantment.